Jakarta Composite Index closed 0.2% lower as coal price dropped 2.7% to $192 per ton. And other sentiment was a reading of U.S. job openings dropped below 10 million in a sign that Federal Reserve rate hikes are finally starting to take their toll on the labor market. And U.S. yields fell across the board, with the benchmark 10-year Treasury note declining about 3 basis points to 3.34%, while the yield on the 2-year Treasury bond fell 13 basis points to 3.8%, and yields moved inversely to prices. Next, domestic March annual inflation rate was 4.97%, down from 5.4% in the previous month. The Statistics Bureau noted that this year's price pressures were below those seen in recent years, including the early years of the pandemic. However, the headline inflation rate remained above the central bank's 2% to 4% target range. On the other hand, rupiah was down 0.17% to 14,920. As investors anticipate the release of foreign exchange reserves. Previously, Bank Indonesia announced that Indonesia's foreign exchange reserves at the end of February 2023 reached $140 billion. Now let's take a look to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers of the day were Bintang Samudra, Hetzer Medical, and Sabta Usaha Gemilang. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were Krida Jaringan Nusantara, Hatan Bali, and Tanah Laut. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,791 until 6,880, and rupiah will be moved between 14,800 until 15,000. Next, commodity prices. WTI crude oil price was up 0.1% today, and Brent crude oil rose 0.2%, and spot gold gained 0.25%. I am Jessica reporting for MGN.